the wrong lever. So to be clear, the left lever is the right lever, the right lever is the wrong lever. The right lever is the almost never lever. You look like Kronk doing that. That's what Kronk does. That's what Kronk does. He doesn't know his right from his left. He's my right-hand man, and he does not know his right from his left. It is disappointing, to say the least. But as I say, to enter my secret lab, you must take hold of the left lever and pull the lever and release the lever. You see? Not hard, not complicated, but somehow wrong. Can't keep it straight. He doesn't know his right from his left. Do you know your right from your left?
Yes.
There you go. You see? It shouldn't be that hard, but somehow there I am, side by side with Kronk. And you know, just the other day we were at Mudca's meat hut, and Kronk told them it was my birthday. It is not my birthday, to be clear. But Kronk enjoys when they sing me happy birthday. So they come round, they sing me happy birthday, and would you believe Kronk got me a birthday present?
Spinach puff.
It wasn't spinach puff, but you would think it was. He serves everything at Mudca's with a side of spinach puffs when he is head chef. But no, instead I got a llama's pajamas. Not llama pajamas, which are pajamas covered in llamas. No, no. A llama's pajamas. It did not even fit. Do these look like hooves to you? No. I just don't know what Kronk is thinking sometimes. All those years spent together in the secret lab. But you see, I brought a little bit of my secret lab here with me today. Would you care to know what my snake table is carved from? Kronk's spinach puffs. You see, they are so stale, so overcooked, so burnt, that you can merely stack them up, take a chisel to them, and carve yourself a table. Useful, but not digestible. No, no, perhaps I should give Cusco a spinach puff. Give him a little tummy ache, you see? Then he'll surely be unfit to sit on the throne, leaving it vacant for me. What about that Pacha? Pacha! Have you seen Pacha? No? He's somewhere around here. I have an idea. I was thinking perhaps his little children would lend me some of their toys, and I will sprinkle them along the walking path to the throne. Cusco will stub every single toe, leaving the throne vacant for me.